Hey, what's up everybody? So in today's video, I'm gonna show you the application and the results first. Then you can watch as much as you want to about all the adventures and the crap that I went through in order to make this video. Hope you enjoy it. Today I'm gonna show you how I get the darkest green possible. And honestly, it's like a cheat code. This is one of those things I've kind of used as sort of a secret sauce for a long time. I could do it either with the green effect or I could do it with the microgreene. Those are two different choices that you're gonna have here. So today we're gonna do it with the microgreene. Not gonna put a whole ton of it out. We're gonna do it on 1,000 square feet. So this is something that's only gonna get a little bit higher than usual, but I'm gonna put about 12 ounces out on 1,000 square feet. And I'm gonna put 9 ounces Varate over the top of it and show you just how quick this thing turns dark frickin' green. Damn it. Before I spray this, I bet you guys have a question.
Why are you gonna do that?
Dude, not right now, please. I'm trying to film.
Sorry.
Thank you. Two reasons that I want to do that. Number one, the miners in the microgreene are going to have a darkening effect. There's a bit of iron, obviously the humic, the fulvic, the kelp, all the goodies that are in there, plus a whole slew of minor elements. Everything is going to contribute to the color of the turf. By putting aerate down over the top of it, it's going to make that reaction happen a bit faster. So we're gonna put it down, we're gonna spray one and then the other, and then we're just gonna wait. Showtime. I think the contrast comparison between here and here is gonna be easier to tell. That was where one of those like dog spot was. And this is kind of the rest of it. So it's a bit pronounced for sure. I don't think we're gonna get to here because we're not applying nitrogen today, but there's a pretty good color difference. So we'll use this as our reference point. I don't know how much darker that can actually get. So we'll see if this can kind of come up and start to match it.
The very next day.
Well, here we are, we're back out on it. Timestamp. Had to wait an extra day because it rained and we just haven't had a whole lot of sun out here on the lawn, but I just gave it a quick little mow. Let me show you what I'm seeing out here. I'm gonna try to do this so that the light is right and you can see that line. Corner of the building back there, over to the staircase. Check out the change we got going on here. That went dark. Here's our spot that I was comparing to, right here. So you can see, I still have just that little bit of color difference, but it did even up a heck of a lot more than I thought it was going to. Like I said before, the lawn didn't look bad, right? But it was starting to show signs that it needed something. So that means I have a new project. My Easy Flow finally came, and I'm gonna be installing that, and that'll be the next video that you guys get to see, because now we're gonna start feeding everything automatically, and thinking of fertilizing and having to put any applications out are gonna be the thing of the past. Very fast, very easy, very low amount of juice to do it, and again, no nitrogen has been fed this year. Had that been added to this as well, the color would have jumped and just gone crazy.
And here's what happened the day before.
Today I've got to apply this classic style, so I gotta go grab my ortho. I'm waiting on my Easy Flow to show up, and then as soon as that's here, we're gonna be doing everything that way. And I'll show you guys how that whole thing works. I did something with that stupid thing. I gotta go find it. Aha! There we go. I hope I wasn't putting brake fluid out. Nah, I'm sure it's fine. I got a problem I didn't know I had. Let me show you. That's not good. That's also not good. Okay, so I'm gonna guess that while my kids were having fun building their little sand stuff up here, the robo mower ran over the hose This one I actually knew about, the other side, but the one in the hose I didn't know about. So I'm not really getting a ton of pressure to that thing. And if I don't, then it's not going to spray right. So I need to get a new hose. Or I should probably just cut this one and fix it. Well, you know what that means? We're going to have to go to Home Depot. Home cheapo, home desperate, whatever it might be. So bear with me while I take care of this real quick, okay? So freaking long. Most of my likes, most of my views come from people who are taking a poo. I just hope they wash their hands when they're done. No. The best part about this is that it's going to cut my hand every time I run this thing out. I'm really looking forward to that. Well, now that that's done, we wait. How long do we wait? That's a great question. We'll come back out here after a couple of hours, see how she's looking, see if we can notice a line right through here. But before we do, I kind of want to show you, maybe it'll show up on camera, just this bit of yellowing so that you can kind of get an idea that it was just off. Really hard to tell from those wide shots, so let's just see if we can get a little bit of a better view of that. Now you have to remember, the craziest thing about this is I haven't applied any nitrogen yet this year. This is still running off the fall application. But it is running out. It is June, and I mean, heck, I haven't put anything out up here, so we gotta do something. So anyway, let's give it a little bit of time, come back and check on it.
And that right there is everything you missed. Why don't you go ahead and check out one of these videos here? Spend a little more time. Enjoy. I mean, you've got nothing better to do, right?